My name is Rihan. For a long time, making decisions was very difficult for me, even small decisions. What should I study today? Should I join this course? Should I speak or stay silent? Every choice felt heavy. I always thought, what if I choose the wrong option? What if I regret this later? What if this decision changes everything? Because of this fear, I delayed many things. I spent more time thinking than actually doing. Sometimes I asked too many people for advice. One person said one thing, another person said something else. Instead of feeling clear, I felt more confused. One day my teacher gave us an assignment. We had to choose a topic and present it in English. It was a simple task, but for me, it became a big problem. I spent 2 days just thinking. This topic is good, but maybe not the best. That topic is interesting, but maybe difficult. I changed my mind again and again. Finally, I had no time left. I chose a topic quickly and prepared in a hurry. My presentation was not strong. After class, my teacher called me. He asked, "Rihan, why do you look stressed?" I told him everything. I said, "I am afraid of making wrong decisions." He listened quietly and then said something important. Every decision teaches you something. If you make the right choice, you gain progress. If you make the wrong choice, you gain experience. He continued, "The only bad decision is no decision." Those words stayed in my mind. I realized something. By avoiding decisions, I was not protecting myself. I was stopping my growth. The next time I faced a choice, I tried something new. Instead of overthinking for hours, I gave myself limited time. I thought carefully for a few minutes. Then I made a decision. At first, it felt uncomfortable, but I followed through. Some decisions worked well, some did not. But every time, I learned something. Slowly, my confidence improved. I stopped asking, "What if I am wrong?" Instead, I started asking, "What can I learn from this?" Now I understand something simple. No one makes perfect decisions all the time. Even successful people make mistakes. But they move forward. They learn. They adjust. They grow. Today, I still think before making decisions, but I do not let fear control me, because I know this truth. Action brings clarity. Experience builds confidence. And decisions, even imperfect ones, move life forward. Final thought. Do not wait for perfect certainty. Make your best choice with the knowledge you have, then learn from the result. Ending line. Keep learning English, keep taking action, and always remember, a wrong decision can teach you, but no decision keeps you stuck.